Howdy guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do an install of my Sig Sauer 556-QD flash hider. I just got my Sig can out of ATF jail, and I want to show y'all how to do an install on my Sons of Liberty upper right here. If you want to see that video on why I purchased that suppressor, go ahead and click this banner. It will take you to that video. So guys, let's go down to the gun. Let's do the install. So first thing I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to take off my D-ball laser, my Surefire light. Don't want anything to get damaged when I'm taking off that brake. So. So once we got all the accessories off, I'm gonna take a screwdriver, stick it in this brake, and remove this old muzzle device. The next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna actually clean up these threads. So I've got some brake cleaner. You can use acetone or whatnot, but I want to clean up these threads because we're going to end up putting some rock set on here, and I don't want any type of leftover residue, whatnot, from my old muzzle device interfering with the attachment of the new one. So we'll take that shim off, spray that down. We'll let that dry just for a little bit. The Sig muzzle devices are pretty cool. So this is the first thing that you put on, your actual taper adapter. This threads onto the barrel itself. There's no need to time this. We're just gonna put a couple drops of rock set, I think 2 to 3 drops. I'm going to thread this onto the barrel, and I'm going to tighten it down anywhere between 20 to 30 foot-pounds. So here we go. So we're going to go ahead and thread this QD mount all the way on the barrel. Three-quarter wrench. I'm going to tighten this down just real quick before I get the torque wrench. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and set this using my torque wrench. We're going to set it to anywhere between 20 to 30 pounds. I've got it set right now at about 25, right in the middle. I'm actually going to use this AR tool right here. I'm going to stick my torque wrench right in the center, and I'm going to put that on the muzzle device. So this is what I'm going to use to set it to where it should be. Here we go. There we go. Not going to do it any more than that. Next, and this is the cool thing with the Sig muzzle devices, with the flash hider there's no need to time it, so we're just going to screw it all the way in there. With the muzzle device, they actually have a small crush washer that you insert in here, and it times it for you. So these muzzle devices, these flash hiders right here, guys, we're just going to screw this all the way in. There is no need to time it. Now, so to tighten this up, you've got a couple different options. Right here we have one of our AAC tools to take off their muzzle devices. You can also use a 19mm socket or just standard adjustable wrench, whatever you got. So guys, I tried, it actually gave me a lot of flexibility. I tried to time it to where that flash hider was at the very, very top right there. So pretty straightforward operation. Installing a SIG QD muzzle device on your barrel. Once again, guys, if you want to see why I selected this suppressor to begin with, go ahead and click that banner up top and check it out. But I really like this because that muzzle device is in two parts. There's really no need to time it using shims. The QD goes on there first, and then you can either select a brake or a flash hider to go on afterwards. Cool design. I really enjoy it. Guys, I appreciate y'all for watching. Be safe, be smart, be skilled. Catch you on the next video.